So is your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max suddenly stuck on the home screen or frozen midstream, not responding inside any app? Let's go ahead and fix it instantly with a few quick methods. So first, if your Fire TV Stick is frozen midstream, try using voice commands to get out of that screen, like go home, open settings, and see if that responds. If that doesn't work, simply straight turn off your TV, wait around 20 to 30 seconds, and then turn it back on again. Still frozen? Let's force restart the Fire TV Stick using the remote. Press and hold the select and play pause button together for about 5 seconds. Your TV will turn off and on. It will reboot automatically. Now, most of the time, a forced reboot instantly fixes this problem. Now, if it still doesn't work, you can unplug the Fire TV Stick from the power source or even from this TV's HDMI port. As you know, sometimes the device can overheat, which can cause the screen to freeze or malfunction. Just leave it unplugged for a little while so it can cool down. Then plug it back in, start it up again, and that should get everything working normally again. No freezing screen. Thanks for your time.